Want to start a YouTube channel? Well, there are around 37 million YouTube channels out there, and obviously more channels are adding every single day. In this competitive platform, you need to make sure to make the least mistakes possible, and for that, you need to know a few things before starting a YouTube channel. Hey guys, this is Sumit from Paper Video, and in this video I'll let you know a few things which you should know before starting a YouTube channel. It will be regarding the importance of a niche, the video optimization, its duration, the importance of consistency, and thumbnails. So stay tuned for the video and watch it till the end. But before moving forward, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. Now let's move towards the first thing which you need to know, which is you should stick to one niche and be consistent with it. A niche is nothing but a specific topic that can define your channel. A niche will help you to determine your channel to the viewers. It will help you because viewers mostly watch videos on a specific topic as per their interest. If your video is on a specific niche, the interested viewers may subscribe to you and watch your videos regularly. A niche will also help the YouTube algorithm to know what your channel is about. This can give you more subscribers and viewers, as YouTube may recommend your video to non-subscribers if they are interested in your niche. Whether it is an educational one or an entertainment one, you can choose any topic, just try to be more specific. For example, suppose you are making a video on an educational topic. In that case, you can focus on a specific subject or a specific exam like Study IQ. A channel with over 10 million subscribers posts videos related to government exams, or channels like Intellectual Indies which focus on topics related to business and marketing. And if you are more focused on making money from the YouTube channel, check out our video 5 best paying niches on YouTube 2021 by clicking here. So let us know in the comment section which niche you want to choose for your channel. Now, the next thing you should know is about video optimization on YouTube. You should not post a video without optimizing it. We have often noticed that many YouTube channels post their videos without optimizing them. By saying this, what I mean is they post a video with poor title, poor or many times with no description, no tags, and not even hashtags. It is a grave mistake YouTubers often make. The consequence of this could be getting less reach than what is expected from the video. It's because the titles, tags, description, and other details help YouTube's algorithm to understand what your video is about. It will eventually help your video to get recommended to viewers, rank on YouTube's search engine, and even Google search results and video section. You should write the video's title which is exact or closer to what viewers search on YouTube. For example, if people are searching on YouTube how to increase followers on Instagram, you can write the title of your video exactly or closer to this phrase. You should also write a detailed description of your video and should include few phrases as tags that are closer to what your video is about, and should include 2 to 3 hashtags in the video. It is how you'll optimize your video, which will help you gain more exposure on YouTube. Another thing which you should know before is, you should make a long and detailed video. As we mentioned earlier, YouTube is a very competitive platform. The video you are planning to make is probably published by someone earlier. Now your video is going to compete with that video. But for that, you should make a video which is better than the others. One way is to make the video long and detailed. The more detailed the video is, the more value it provides to the user. The more value the user gets, the more he will engage with it, resulting in likes, comments, subscribers, which will eventually help to outperform others. Another benefit of long videos is that YouTube loves long videos more than shorter ones. The reason is simple. Longer videos keep the user on the platform more than the shorter ones. Thus, YouTube mostly recommends longer videos than a shorter one. Don't believe it? Then just check out your YouTube homepage. You'll find the most recommended videos are above 10 minutes. Another thing you should know, which many YouTubers forget, is you should add custom thumbnail in every video. It's obvious that you want views on the videos you upload on YouTube, but this can only happen when a viewer clicks on your video. It means you need a high click-through rate, CTR, on your videos, which is the number of viewers who clicked your video divided by total impressions of the video. And for that, you need an appealing thumbnail for your videos. And fortunately, YouTube provides you the option to add a custom thumbnail to your video. The custom thumbnail is an external image that you can add to your video. Keep in mind that you have to verify your channel to use this feature. The mind-boggling fact is that over 90% of best performing videos on YouTube are the ones which are having custom thumbnails. So now you probably understood how important is the custom thumbnail is. The custom thumbnail you consist of should have the same template for every video with the same color combination. Also, you should add high quality images and text with the same font in every video. And do not add clickbait. And I'm not repeating this again. No clickbait. Now, let's move to the last thing you should know before starting your YouTube channel, which is you should upload your video consistently. Consistency is the key. And when it comes to uploading a YouTube video consistently, it's essential in your channel growth. However, when we say consistency, we don't mean to upload loads of videos every week. Here the consistency is just uploading the same amount of video regularly. You can upload a video every day or upload only one video in a month. But whatever your target is, just be consistent. To remain consistent, just schedule things in advance. Decide how many videos you are going to post in a week and stick to it religiously. So these are the 5 things that you should know before starting a YouTube channel. Let's summarize the things we informed you about. Stick to a niche, optimize video before publishing, make long and detailed video, use custom thumbnail, upload consistently. I hope you loved our video. If yes, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Want to know more about YouTube? Please check out our blog How to Become a Successful YouTuber in 2021. Link would be in the description below. Thank you so much for watching.